The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive.
Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Either way, I am so excited that you clicked on my video today because I have another weekly Australian grocery haul and meal plan for you all. I'm going to start off by showing you our meal plan for the week so that you can get some new dinner ideas for you and your family, and then I'm going to go ahead and pick up those groceries and let you know what we got in our grocery haul. If you are new here, my name is Katrina. I'm an Australian mum with 2 young toddlers, and on this channel I like to share all things food. I'm a complete foodie over here, so I like to share our weekly grocery haul and meal plan every single week. I also like to share what's for dinner videos, what's for lunch, what I eat in a day, and meal prep, all types of food kind of content. And then I also have another channel where I like to share my cleaning motivation. I will leave the link to that in the description box down below if you did want to check that out. But before we get into today's meal plan, I would absolutely love it if you could go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and also hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notifications to all if you haven't already. It means the absolute world to me when you go ahead and take a minute out of your day to actually just go ahead and do that little extra step while you are here. It helps me out an absolute ton. Now let's get into the meal plan. So this week on Monday, we are having ravioli bolognese, just something nice and easy. On Tuesday night, we're going to be having curried sausages with cauliflower rice. I normally like to have just normal rice with curried sausages. It just tastes a whole lot better, but I do have a couple bags of cauliflower rice that I want to use up in the freezer, so I'm going to be using that on Tuesday night. On Wednesday night, I'm going to go ahead and make some fish and sheet pan vegetables, just nice and easy as well. Thursday night, we're having homemade cheeseburgers with vegetable chips. I'm just going to go ahead and chop up a bunch of carrots, and we also have some diced sweet potatoes in the freezer still that we need to use up, so I'm going to be using those as the vegetable chips, and then just making up some homemade cheeseburgers in some bread that we're getting this week. And then on Friday, we're going to be having crumb prawn fajita mix with rice. Now the crumb prawns I brought in last week's grocery haul, and I haven't gotten around to using them yet, so I'm going to go ahead and put them into like a fajita mix on a sheet pan meal, and then I'm going to add rice to that meal as well. And then on Saturday night, we're just going to have leftovers. I'm sure there'll be something out of here that we didn't finish. And then on Sunday night, we're going to be having chopped salad and crumb chicken. I'm really trying to get my kids to eat a bit more salad, and I find that when I chop it up really small, like I see it on like movies and things like that, they order it at like really fancy restaurants, like I think it's called chopped salad, but it's just chopped up really fine, like almost like a really fine coleslaw, but they seem to love it that way. So that and crumb chicken is what we are having on Sunday night. So that is everything that is on this week's meal plan. I'm going to go ahead and grab those groceries now and let you know what we got in our grocery haul. So as always, if you wanted to go ahead and take a guess at how much you think this grocery haul cost my family before I tell you the price at the end, go ahead and leave your guess in the comments down below. But I'm just going to start over with the non-food items for the grocery hauls. So the first thing that I grabbed was just this Sea Minerals body wash. I love this one. It's probably one of the cheaper ones. It's just got a pump top here, which I love. Makes it so much easier. I went ahead and paid a little bit more for a body wash a few weeks ago, and it didn't have a pump top, and it has been the biggest pain to use in the shower. So I'm glad to have this one back. So I just picked up that one this week. A lot of the body sprays were half price, so I went ahead and grabbed this Lynx Africa for my partner, and I also grabbed this was half price as well. Now I just turned 28, as you saw in my last grocery haul. It was my birthday. I don't think it's going to be dark enough for my hair, but I am constantly picking out grey hairs from the top of my head every single day, and it's driving me nuts. I'm sick of doing it, so I just thought I'd go ahead and buy this. Hopefully it does a good enough job. Then I also went ahead and grabbed this Paw lip balm for my 3-year-old. He gets really dry lips, especially now we've just started putting the heater back on as it's getting a lot colder here in Australia, so his lips are drying out a lot and he's constantly picking them, so I just thought I'd go ahead and get him some lip balm to try to help that a little bit more. But now onto the food part of the grocery haul. So I went ahead and grabbed this 40 pack of mini party pies and mini sausage rolls. We love to have that in the freezer just for quick and easy lunches when we feel like something warm for lunch instead of like a sandwich. And then I've also gone ahead and grabbed myself 2 of these chicken and leek in creamy camembert sauce pies. They are amazing. I've shown them before in my grocery hauls. I absolutely love these ones, and they were half price, so I went ahead and grabbed myself a box of those. I also grabbed a box of these apple crumbles. I've been craving apple crumbles so badly lately, so I thought I'd go ahead and grab those for the freezer, and we'll have them one night this week. Then I've also gone ahead and grabbed these rosemary and garlic roast potatoes. These are amazing. I couldn't recommend these ones enough. They're just so easy to throw onto a sheet pan meal as well, but they are so good, and they have such a good crunch. And I've also grabbed some ice cream cones this week. I've never had these before, but I'm hoping that they're pretty good quality. These are just for my toddler. He's been asking for ice cream lately, and he has been doing really well with eating his vegetables, so I thought that this might might be just a fun little treat for him at the end of the week if he continues to eat the way he is eating. And then I've also gone ahead and grabbed some Easy Mac in the chicken cheesy mac and cheese. That is also just another quick lunch that I like for the kids if they want something warm instead of a sandwich. I grabbed a huge box of wipes this week. They are $10 a box of I think there's 6 packets of wipes in those. We've been using those ones for years and I absolutely love them. They've won a few awards, so they're pretty good wipes, but yeah, we just love them. I just think that they are such good value for money. And I've also gone ahead and grabbed 2 of these big family packs of the Milo cereal. My toddler absolutely loves these ones and they were half price. So I think they were $3.75 a box. So super cheap and just super worth it to stock up on while they cost that much. And then I've also gone ahead and grabbed our usual Belvita chocolate breakfast biscuits. They were half price as well, so cheaper than they have been lately. They were $2 a box for these bigger ones and they come with 6 individual packets of 4. And then these were, I can't remember how much these were, but I think they were around $2 a box as well, maybe $2.50 or something like that. They're a bit more expensive, but they come with like the little mini packets. They've got 6 of the packets with mini biscuits in those. Then I've also grabbed these veggie chips again in the lentil and beetroot and the chickpea flavor. I love these 2 flavors. I did get around to trying the pea flavored tortilla chips and they are nice. Don't get me wrong, they're not bad at all, but they're definitely just not my favorite flavor. I loved these 2 flavors. The lentil and beetroot is by far my favorite. I could eat them all day, but the chickpea ones are actually quite good as well. So I went ahead and grabbed 1 of each of those. I also grabbed another packet of the Table of Plenty mini rice cakes in the triple berry yogurt flavor for my youngest. She loves those for a snack. And these ones are also another favorite of mine for a snack. So I just got the Harvest Snap Peas in the chili flavor. They are not hot, they're mild chili, and they just taste absolutely amazing. And while we are talking about snacks, I also went ahead and grabbed myself some pistachios for the cupboard. Nobody else in my family eats these, but these will last me forever. They are a huge bag. I think they're like 400 grams, so they are going to last me a long time. I just like snacking on those at nighttime, especially when I don't really feel like ice cream or anything, but I need something to snack on while I'm editing my YouTube videos or something like that. Then for fruit this week, I went ahead and grabbed a big bunch of bananas here. I also grabbed 3 punnets of strawberries. They have gone up to $5 a punnet at the moment, so they are super expensive, but they are so good. They're so fresh and they look amazing, so it's kind of worth the money. But also because they were so expensive, I went ahead and grabbed just a cheap bag of the frozen strawberries. These are only $4 a bag and you get way more in there, and that's just for the smoothies and stuff, so we're not using these in the smoothies. And then I also went ahead and grabbed a bag of the frozen blueberries as well, just for smoothies, and also my youngest oatmeal. She likes to have that in her oatmeal in the mornings. And then I grabbed 2 oranges for myself and chuck them in the fridge. They taste so much better when they're cold. And then I've also grabbed 2 avocados here. I'm going to smash them up and put them with some of these veggie chips for a snack during the day, and they just go so well together, and it's also healthy, healthy. It's just a good snack. And I also grabbed another butter this week. They were $2 off. They are normally $8, so they are super expensive, so I like to grab those while they are cheaper. I grabbed some cheese slices. Now I wasn't happy at all with these. I'm going to return them tomorrow or something whenever I can get there, but they were all squashed up, which I don't mind. I would have just straightened them out, but I have noticed that they're sort of like some of the inside packets of the cheese has ripped and stuff like that, so I'm definitely going to be returning those ones. And then I've also gone ahead and grabbed 2 loaves of the white low GI bread that we love, and I've also grabbed a 2-litre A2 light milk that we always grab. I've also grabbed just a thick dollop cream to put on the apple pie that we grabbed this week, and I've also been a little bit obsessed with having strawberries with cream and a little bit of maple syrup. I went over to my mum's last week and she served up pancakes and mixed berries and stuff for breakfast, and since then I've just been craving the same thing, so I'm just going to go ahead and make myself up some strawberries with some cream and maple syrup before I go to bed tonight. It's probably not a good bedtime snack, but I am so pumped for it. Then I've also grabbed a whole bunch of pasta sauces. So I went ahead and grabbed our usual extra spicy peppers that we love. I love to use these if I'm making up my own spaghetti sauce. I use these with anything else that I add, mincemeat and my spices and onion and carrots and zucchini and whatever else I add into that. They are just a really tasty base to use rather than using just tomatoes. And then I also went ahead and grabbed these tins of spaghetti sauce for my partner with spaghetti sauce with beef. He uses these. He absolutely loves these on his ravioli. I do not recommend these. I'm definitely not going to tell you that these taste good, but he absolutely loves them. I think it's like a man's meal. I think it's just one of those easy throw together things. But that is everything that is in this week's Australian grocery haul and meal plan. I hope you've gone ahead and left your guess in the comments down below of how much you think this grocery haul cost our family. I'm going to let you know how much it costs. So this grocery haul cost us $187.13, but I did use the discount code SAVE in capitals, SAVE, which took $10 off this week's order. This should be valid until I think a couple days after this video comes out. I think it's valid until like the 4th or 5th of May. So if you see this video pretty much as soon as it comes out, you can still do an online order and use that code. If you guessed anywhere near $187, give or take a few dollars, let me know in the comments down below. So that is everything that is in this week's Australian grocery haul and meal plan. I hope you got some new dinner ideas out of today's video. Once again, I really appreciate you all coming back and watching my videos every single week. Hope you all have gone ahead and given this video a huge thumbs up. And don't forget about my cleaning channel if you do want to check out some cleaning motivation. The link is in the description box down below. I really hope you are all having a fantastic week, and I will see you all again really soon. Bye.